Hey, this is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems. I got some exciting news. We're about to launch our new website. So just want to let you know some of the new cool product features that we've developed in our new website. First thing is our product line. We've expanded it to about 1,500 products. So there'll be about 1,500 Rapid Holding Systems products and about another 1,500 OEM 3R and Erowa products. So there'll be over 3,000 products that we're going to launch, and some existing, some new. So we're pretty excited about that. And we're adding to our product database all the time. So if you don't see it, by all means, reach out to us and we'll do our best to accommodate you or get what you're looking for. Also, with the new products comes a really cool 3D viewer. So when you click on a product, it has a CAD file built in, so you can actually spin around and rotate the product, and you can see it from all different sides with the 3D viewer. So we're pretty excited about that. 3D viewer is not for all the products, but we're expanding our product line, so it's for most of the products right now, but we thought it's easier for you guys to find parts. Speaking of easier to find parts, we have an awesome filtering system. So the first thing people do when they go on a website usually is they go into the search navigation bar. So we've got an AI-driven intelligent navigation bar to help you find exactly what you're looking for. So not only will it find your products, it'll find a bunch of other suggestions and other products that go with your products. So you go into a navigation bar, look for what you're looking for. It offers that product plus a bunch of other suggestions. Also, when you find your product, you bring up your product page. It also offers suggested cells below it. So that way, I know sometimes people get confused with, hey, I have a chuck, what goes with that chuck? So it'll actually show the pallets and the spigot and other things that go with the product you're buying. Another thing people ask us for all the time is catalog. Do you guys have catalogs? So now we've made really professional catalogs about every single product category and product we sell. Another exciting thing is we actually made a distributor portal. So we'd sell to a lot of distribution as well as end of consumer. So the distributors can go in there, register themselves as a distributor, or if you want to be a distributor, it has all the forms that you can set up term or establish yourself as a distributor for Rapid Holding System. So, and once you register as a distributor, it unlocks some other stuff in the website like OEM pricing or 3R and Erowa. So that way you won't have to call us or ask about how much things cost on the OEM level. So when you register as a distributor, you'll be able to see all the OEM stuff, and actually you can take it, put it in your shopping cart, and then check out all by yourself without having us send you guys quotes. So just a bit easier to get set up as a distributor to help distribution. Another cool thing, speaking of distribution, is we've opened up our shopping cart globally. So if you're in the jungles of Brazil, if you're in Malaysia, Tanzania, wherever on earth you are, you can actually go in and find your product, and it has a shipping rate to wherever you are globally. So for all these cool features and much, much more, go to our website, www.rapidholdingsystems.com, and let us know what you think of the new website. We'd love to hear your feedback. Excited to share our website with you guys. Thanks.